Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Caribbean Trinidadian style chickpea curry and roti. So first you want to get your saucepan or Dutch pot and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Heat this on a medium flame. Then get 1 onion chopped very thinly and saute this for about 3 to 4 minutes until they become soft. Once soft, you can add in your minced garlic or grated garlic. I ended up using 3 very small garlic cloves. Then you can add in 1 bell pepper. I've used red because it's my favorite. I think it's one of the sweetest colors. And now I'm just adding in some grated ginger. I've used 3 centimeters roughly of it. I don't like to have it chopped up. I like it grated so that it's very fine and you can't find it within the food. I'm adding in a tablespoon of concentrated tomato paste for extra flavor and a tablespoon of amino acid or soy sauce. Then I'm heating up the mixture and giving it a good mix for about 2 minutes before adding in my chickpeas. So I have 400 grams of chickpeas here. And now I'm adding in a tablespoon of Caribbean curry powder. It's very like golden in color. It's not the other one. Here I'm adding in 2 sprigs of thyme, fresh thyme. Here I'm adding in some bird's eye chili, but you can add in 1 scotch bonnet if you prefer. And here I'm adding in 800 milliliters of coconut milk, but you can use a substitution like almond milk, oat milk, or even soy milk. Mixture simmer for about 35 minutes before starting with the roti. Add salt to taste. So we have about 200 grams of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 150 grams or milliliters of water. Then I'm going to give this a good mix until it is combined, and then I roll this out using my rolling pin. You've got all your mixture together like this, it should still feel quite soft and very pliable. I would say make about 4 balls of the dough, and then you want to work each piece of dough with the rolling pin and then fold the edges back in and then repeat the process until you've got a round shape. By the way, I've decided to leave this clip long on purpose because someone did genuinely ask me exactly how I do it, and hers didn't turn out right. So I just wanted to make sure you guys could see exactly everything I'm doing. I think the key is folding in the edges to keep it round, because if you don't fold in the edges and you just roll and roll and roll trying to perfect the outer part, it's very strange. So you just kind of like really overworking it, and then that's what gives you the round shape. So we add oil, or you can add some butter to the pan. Make sure the pan is hot before starting and then reduce it to medium. Add the dough to the pan and you can cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and you can see the air bubbles forming before you then flip it over. It rises slightly. Then you can just keep repeating it until you've done all of your bread, and then we can move on to the curry again. So I like my curry quite thick, so that's why I've done it like this, but you can take it from the heat from even before this. I like to add in some fresh herbs, so parsley and coriander, because it adds bursts of flavour, and I even have this with plantain and some purple onion. Asked me to show exactly how I would eat it. Find it a bit strange, but here we are. I take a piece of bread, add whatever I want, and then that's pretty much it. I don't eat this with rice, but I guess you could do. I love bread, so this is literally my go-to meal. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this recipe. This is my favorite, honestly one of my favorite things to eat, just because it's so simple, easy and flavorful. If you have any other suggestions, let me know and I'll be sure to do it next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.